Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey.
Want to feed him some bread, Barry?
Yeah.
Just a minute, Mark.
Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Whoa, my goodness. God bless. Gesundheit. Oh, don't break it up. Okay, just have a whole piece.
Oh.
Here. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. I don't want to have to feed him that.
Huh?
He'll get in my fingers.
No, it won't. What do you think? Hold your hand flat.
Move. Let me have that hold. There you go. Make it worth his while. Here, I'll let Helen feed you.
Did you give him anything?
He won't hurt
What is she feeding him?
you. Watch my drink there, huh?
Barry? What is she feeding him?
Bread.
Wonderful.
Got my baby. I got this.
What you thinking, Jax?
He likes it.
All right. You want some more, Barry? Give him some more. You want more, baby?
Actually, I was going to clean the window. That's what I opened the window for, and then he came up.
He said a snack. He wants a snack. Okay,